can't believe he had his first child at what, 80, 85?
Something, yeah.
Oh my God.
Well, that's just like, what's the guy that does that has his own show? The old man that had a little kid?
Oh, Larry
King.
Oh, yeah.
He's older than old.
Yeah.
And he's got a 2-year-old or something.
Yeah, he's getting divorced. That's the seven. Yeah, I think that's the seven. I'm pretty sure.
Oh, Larry King. Yeah.
He's got a 2-year-old son.
Been married at least 5, 7 times. Oh my God.
No, he was on Larry King last night.
Oh.
Yeah, talking about that. Oh, that's
Okay, Joe, I'm making Blair Witch Project 2. I'm making some money here. Oh, no.
You make millions.
I heard something. I'm so afraid. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. And here we go. Now, this is the week of Halloween, and we have fog. We have a desolate wooded area. No one has inhabited. This is very, very scary. Oh, no, what's that? It looks like a big brown bear. Oh, no, it's Dave. It's my brother, Dave. He smells golf course down the road. This is pretty eerie, you know. I hope this turns out. But whoa. This path, I don't know where it leads to. But I heard some really weird noises out here earlier. I don't think there's coyotes out here. There's no light. That's fog up ahead. Through that clearing, it's supposed to be a golf course. Very, very scary. And there goes Dave. Never to be seen again. He walks off. And of course he leaves his sister behind. Oh, this is very, very scary. Make a slow turn. What appears in the night, only the ghosts see. Let's go back toward the bonfire. I'm not sure what this is. What's that bright light over there? I hear voices. I hear laughter. And I hear my brother coming. Oh, there's a green light. What does that mean? Oh, no. Oh, no. I hear voices. Oh, no. Oh, no. You can see this at your local theater in 2 weeks. Oh, no. My brother came back from the unknown. But there's a... Dave, don't go to the light. Don't go toward the light, Dave. He's going toward the light. We're coming back to civilization. Never wander far off camp, they say, and I think they're right. What was that? Oh, God, I thought I heard something. Okay, don't be afraid. You're almost home. The fire's up ahead. Thought something touched me. Oh, what is it? What is it? Okay, just be cool. You're almost home. Just keep your eyes on the fire, and you'll soon be safe. You'll soon be safe.
Come back, unshovel. Shovel again. Unpost. Go back.